Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and channel ATC. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can put images in your web page using HTML. Images are mostly important in every web page, so you need to know how to put that. Let's get started. So let me show you my code now, and as you can see here I have created the HTML code. Here is the title, introduction to images. As you can see, introduction to images. Now let us learn how you can display images. So as you can see here, I'm having my image, even image1.jpg, and here as you can see, now let me just go to body tag and type h1 and type beautiful image. So now let's see the code to write to display an image in our web page. So as you can see, it just says beautiful image, but there's no image present in here. So in order to do that, here is our image. The name is image1. So I've created a new folder called images to kind of organize my website. So now in order to display an image, there's a tag called img, and after that write src, and inside those codes write the path or the name of your image. As you can see, I'm using a separate folder, so I write images slash the name of the folder slash and then the name of the image, image1.jpg, and it's a self-closing tab, so you put a slash and just close the tag. And now as you can see, our image is displayed, but it's too long because I've downloaded a high resolution image. That's why in next video I'm going to be showing you the introduction to CSS. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.